In this video, I will show you how to list your business on the Jervis Bay Life Directory. On the home page of jervisbaylife.com.au, click the pink Submit Your Business button. On the next page, Plans and Pricing, scroll down to the section which shows the available directory plans. In this tutorial I choose the basic plan, which is our free plan option. Please watch our next video, where I demonstrate the sign-up of our most popular premium plan. To continue, you first must log in or register. If you have already an account with us, use your login details to log in. Otherwise, use the Register section to register. Type in your preferred username. It should be just one word. Next, type in your email address and a strong password. Make sure you remember your username and your password to log in to Jervis Bay Life again at a later stage. Follow all the steps and click the Register button. Congratulations, you are now already on the Submit form, where you can enter your business details. Start with your business name. Keep in mind that you can change any entry later at any time. Select the category which describes your business best. If you don't find a category which exactly fits your business, choose one which is closest and let us know, so we can add your special category once you submitted your business. In this example, I will choose the category Cafe and Bar. Next, choose the area you are serving with your business. Enter your address. The next step is important. Click on the button, Find on Map. In the map below, your exact location will appear, marked with a red pointer. If it does not find your address immediately, try to specify further, entering city, street, number, state, and postcode. Remember, this is an important step, so that your business will be displayed correctly on the map. Next, enter your phone number and/or your email where your customers can get in contact with you. And finally, click Add to Cart. Now, check your cart. In this example, we did choose the free basic plan with a $0 price. So you will not be charged anything. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Fill in your billing details. Your email address has been entered already from your registration. Agree to terms and conditions and click Place Order. Congratulations, you just created your first business listing on Jervis Bay Life. By now, you should have already got a confirmation email with your order details. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please watch our next tutorial to learn how to change and add your listing details.